All right, so we'll be discussing about keyword research for YouTube videos here, right? So I assume you've been able to do something from the video editing aspect. Now is to research something that we can equally create. Now, before you do that, you can create a trailer video and upload. A trailer video is more like a video that speaks about your channel, and you can select it and use it as a trailer so that it will be pinned to your wall. That way, anybody that comes to your wall gets to uh, know about what you have, right? So now let's dive into how to find and target high traffic keywords. Don't worry, we are going to be creating a video, possibly the trailer video, and pin to the wall, or upload and pin to the wall while we proceed, right? So now, looking into keyword research for YouTube videos, what do so how to find and target high traffic keywords, right? There are different ways to actually get it done, and there are tools that will aid you to do that. But as a beginner, I will always advise that you model from people. Try to learn from what is trending, what is happening, from people who are already doing good in your niche, right? So when we talk about keyword research, we are referring to YouTube SEO, that's search engine optimization. That way, you're optimizing your video in a way that once people search your video, it shows up, right? It shows up online. And this is very critical for making your videos discoverable, right? And let me show us what I mean by that. Let's all right, so this is our YouTube account, right? So now let's go to our browser and let's search for a video. Let's search for maybe how to withdraw hamster. Let's search for something like that and see how to withdraw. Can you see? So I search what how to withdraw hamster, and let's see the result we have here. Can you see? There are different videos that are showing up. You can see hamster combat, claim now, how to withdraw, hamster combat, withdrawal. Can you see? So these are videos about hamster combat on how to withdraw. You can see this is another video. So these videos are currently ranking, right? Based on my search, the videos are showing up. You can see more videos are coming up, right? So if I click on view all, I'm going to see more videos about this hamster. So people search for something and your video appears. So if you cannot infuse what people can search or what people can discover into your video, it becomes a problem. So, and that's why it's very important you work based on what you know is trending. So if people are searching for hamster, 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 because okay, right, like right now, hamster combat in crypto is going to be listing tomorrow. So now that I'm creating this video, now that I'm researching this, there is a high tendency that people will search for how to withdraw or how to trade, how to sell. So if I create a video on how to sell hamster combat and upload, the video is definitely going to rank, and we are going to practice that because this is very practical. We are going to do that. So there will be a video on how to sell hamster combat on different chain, like on different exchange. We are going to definitely do a video on that to validate what we are trying to explain, right? So you have to create what is discoverable because people search based on keyword, right? So why keywords matter is that keywords are the words and phrases people type into YouTube search bar. So when you optimize your videos with the right keywords, YouTube will recommend them to the right audience. And that is why understanding search intent is very crucial. Like I just mentioned, search intent is very crucial. Like this hamster I just mentioned now, if we are to go back to YouTube, let's go back to YouTube. Let's go back to our YouTube page and check something. Now let's these are YouTube channel. If you click on this search, this is going to search across our videos, but there is no video. So click on this icon here so that it will take us back to main YouTube, right? So let me go back and erase this studio from it so that it will take us to the beginning. Let's search. All right, you can see this is it now. So let me search for hamster combat and see what happened. Hamster. Let's see. Can you see? Hamster combat minigame, hamster combat daily combo, hamster combat daily cipher, hamster combat daily. These are different hamster combat that is showing here, right? Now I can decide to create a video around all of this. If I create all of these things, like I decide to create videos on all of these things and I publish, believe me, some of them are going to give me good traffic, right? So that is how you discover some video, or you can just maybe come with hamster combat, how to list, how to sell hamster combat. Can you see how to sell hamster combat in Binance, how to sell hamster combat in Bybit, how to sell hamster combat in Telegram wallet? You can see these are different videos. These are different videos about hamster combat. And if you click on it, you discover that many persons have what searched for this. Many persons have searched for this, right? So that is how SEO works. So you need to understand what people are searching before you be able to create video in that line. So if you create a video and use any of these things, it is going to give you, it's going to rank tomorrow definitely, of which let me even make a screenshot and do videos on this. Let me make a screenshot about this and make videos, right? I'll make the video and we'll see and we'll test it. We'll check what happens after tomorrow, right? Let's see the result that comes from this channel after tomorrow. So that is that. That's how to search. You can use this, like I mentioned, to search. You can search on YouTube. You can get to know what is trending online, what people are saying, what's happening, and get to publish videos on them. So how to find keywords? You can use what I just used, or you can use maybe vidIQ or TubeBuddy, of which I don't recommend that a beginner tries to use that, but you can actually explore them. Remember, when we were setting up our channel, we added something to our channel. We added vidIQ. We added vidIQ to our channel, right? And I mentioned the function of vidIQ. vidIQ helps you to uh, analyze your channel. You can use it to discover more things, even though you are limited because it is just the free version. You are limited with some things. You cannot do everything, right? But then you can equally exploit more and see to how you can use it. I am not going to use it right now, but maybe I may use it and add uh, the videos later in future. But right now, I'm not going to use it because I would prefer that as a beginner, you model what is already working in line with your niche. You can see these are recommendations. Can you see? These are recommendations based on what they know about my this very channel. Remember, we connected our channel to vidIQ earlier. So if you check this, you can see there are more things here you can use, but it is only when you upgrade that you will enjoy more, right? So we are not going to be using this. We are going to be using more of trying to leverage on what is already existing. That's the most important aspect, right? Like I mentioned earlier, you can use Google Trend, you can use Facebook, you can use what people just get to know what people are asking in your niche. That's the most important aspect, and you will get to do this the right way, right? So on the next video, we are going to be going further into understanding optimizing video titles, description, and tags. That's going to be what we discussed on the next video.